Hi everyone, thank you for watching these videos. Today we would like to take you on a tour in our production line so that you can have a better idea of how your product is being made and how much effort we have done to ensure the quality of each of your Timekettle M2. Let's go! Our factory is known and recognized for its expertise in sophisticated technology products, especially in the audio category. Here's where we turn the Timekettle M2 into reality. The M2 is now under trial production. Our hardware team supervises the production progress on a daily basis for parts and components that makes the M2 a market-ready product. Each side of the charging case comes with 5 magnets in different positions in its interior, so our split case design works as great and strong as Timekettle's other products. The M2 integrates the Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.0 chip that powers on each piece of the set. Here we are conducting PCB testing to make sure each chip works properly and fully functional before it integrates into the Timekettle M2. We have produced many samples for testing at trial, and they are now stacked here for reassessment to make sure there are no physical or material defects. This gentleman is working on the devices that come off our production line for environmental testing and to make sure each M2 is eco-friendly to our system. We can definitely see that the maturity in the assembly lines and the quality control departments are absolutely trustworthy in both quality assurance and how efficient it can produce the Timekettle M2 so that we make sure we can deliver to you on schedule. Okay, so that's it for today's tour. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment or contact us at the bottom of the page. Thank you.